Disclaimer, Palestinians are not included. What do countries of Asia look like? Part 1. Armenia. Its shape looks like a tarred elephant. Azerbaijan. It looks shaped like a flying like a parrot. Bangladesh. It looks shaped like a hiker, or called as a Bangladesh. Bhutan. It's looking shaped like a face of a funny fish over here. Cambodia. It looks like it's like cracking your tail of a cat. It looks like cat. China. It looks shaped like a fat man imprisoning Uyghur in Taiwan. Do you see it? For you to see it. Georgia. It looks like shaped like a pregnant dragon over here called Georgia. India. This shape looks like a fat guy with a melting pizza. Indonesia. Its shape looks like a bee, fish, leech, food, man with lost his head, and gecko, worm, and dinosaur. Iran. Its shape looks like a snail. Do you see? Iraq. Its shape looks like a grandma on a sleigh. Japan. Its shape looks like a snake eating a rabbit and a squirrel, but still have biting on their predators. Jordan. Its shape looks like a hippo. They look like sharp teeth of a hippo. Kuwait. Its shape looks like an angry blobfish. There, see, like that one. Laos. Its shape looks like a palm tree. Lebanon. Its shape looks like a missile. They live in Lebanon. Malaysia. Its shape looks like an altar boy praying for ice cream. It lives in Malaysia. Asia look like. It's called live in Asia. Mongolia. Its shape looks like a bunch of ghosts. Myanmar. Its shape looks like a flower. That's really strange of a flower. Nepal. Its shape looks like a bag of chips over here. North Korea. Its shape looks like a army general with a weird hat. Oman. Its shape looks like a broken train locomotive. Pakistan. Its shape looks like a dinosaur who lost his head. Philippines. Its shape looks like a pile of bones up there. They live in the Philippines. Qatar. Its shape looks like a worm. Live in fat worm. Russia. Its shape looks like a mole rat pooping. Saudi Arabia. Its shape looks like a pig with a blanket. Singapore. Its shape looks like a shattered glass. But never mind. South Korea. It's shaped like an upside down old woman. Sri Lanka. Its shape looks like a corn over fat corn. Syria. Its shape looks like a bat. Thailand. Its shape looks like a jerboa mouse over here. Live in Thailand. Turkey. Its shape looks like a chicken will crack up there. United Arab Emirates. Its shape looks like a slug. Vietnam. Its shape looks like a weird lizard. Yemen. Its shape, it looks like a wet wipes box. Now let's put all together. Then looks like a Central Asia. Afghanistan. Its shape, it looks like a mouse. Over there, there's mouse on your bed. Kazakhstan. It is shaped like a Kazakhstan. It looks like a fish. Over there, look like a long nose. Kyrgyzstan. It is shaped. It looks like a crocodile's head. Are called Kyrgyzstan. Tajikistan. It is shaped. It looks like a reindeer over there. Where we still have a nasty reindeer. Turkmenistan. The Turkmenistan, its shape, it looks like a shattered glass of fall down of spilling of water. Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. Their shape look like a nasty dinosaur. Oh, that's really stuck on the tree. Last one for put all together. Wow. Thanks for watching this video. Let's put you together over there live in the countries of Asia. Thanks for watching this video, and please for watching this video and share, like, and subscribe button, click the notification bell. So check the comments below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe button, click the notification bell. So thanks for watching.